Introducing OneSync by Feit Electric, the only customizable and easy-to-install under-cabinet lights and accessories that can connect wirelessly, eliminating complicated wiring behind or between cabinets. Today, we're installing the OneSync light bar. The light bar comes in different sizes to fit any 12-inch, 18-inch, 24-inch, or 36-inch cabinet, and the installation is the same for all. Your OneSync light bar comes with a 72-inch power cable, 18-inch connector cable, mounting bracket and screws, instruction manual, mounting template, and finally, your light bar. Here's the tools needed to install your fixture. Start by measuring your cabinet for the desired placement. Then, find the center of your cabinet and mark it. Using the mounting template, mark the desired placement of your light bar. Install mounting brackets using the provided screws. Install the light bar by pushing up into the bracket. To power your OneSync lights, place within 17 inches of another unit, or within 6 feet of a wall outlet. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your OneSync light bars.